remember my old man, he worked in the oil fields, and I could never understand why. The dirt and grease on his hands, driving home at sundown, making just enough to get us by. When I left home, I swore I'd make it rich some other way. I didn't know where I was going, but my dad would always say, pray out loud, make us proud, and son, don't forget where you come from. A few years out on the road, working on the high lines, but got laid off in the spring. I mowed yards and sold used cars, I worked nights down at the bars. Yeah, I tried damn near everything. I had to find my own way, no matter what he said. But the sound of his voice was still ringing in my head. Pray out loud, make us proud, and son, don't forget where you come from. Daddy's side before he passed away, and I never will forget the last words I heard him say. Pray out loud, make us proud, and son, don't forget where you come from. Now I'm breaking ground on my own, oceans of oil fields, and my hands get dirty every day. A big house in San Antonio, I'm living a good life, but my home seems far away. And no matter where I am each night before I fall asleep, I'll always think of what my daddy said to me. Pray out loud, make us proud, and son, don't forget to pray out loud, make us proud, and son, don't forget where you come from. I remember my old man, he worked in the oil fields, and now I understand why.